Hi everyone, in this video today I'm going to be unboxing the EarStudio ES100. This is a product from Radsone that it's basically a Bluetooth receiver that has dual AKM chips, DACs I mean, and it also has a balanced output and a 3.5 output. So reason why I got it is that it supports LDAC, it supports aptX HD codec, it supports basically every audio codec that it's supported on Bluetooth, and I've been hearing good stuff of this and I decided to get it. Not to mention I also have the Hy-Vee W5 on the way, which it's another product, but that one does not have a 2.5 output. This one does, and that one uses an ESS chip and this one uses AKM chip. So later on when I receive it in the following weeks I'm going to be comparing it, but in this case this video is just to show you the EarStudio, and of course as usual I'm going to be listening to the music. So we can see here these are the instructions that comes with it. This is the first thing that happens to be in the box. Really simple instructions and that sort of stuff. And then let's take out the adapter itself. So here we have it. It's really small compared to other receivers. Actually it's comparable to other Bluetooth receivers, and we have here the balanced 2.5 jack and we have here the unbalanced 3.5 jack. So either way I can plug this 3.5 jack into here, but of course this is just a converter. It just converts 3.5 to 2.5, and since this Bluetooth receiver has a native 2.5 balance input, I can just simply of course just connect it here, and that way I can maximize my listening experience, because that way I can use my high-dis MS4 that I have here with the Radsone ES100 and listen to music. So yeah, pretty much this is the Radsone ES100. And continuing with the unboxing, let's see what else we have here. We have the charging cable, and the charging cable is really small. So here we have it, the charging cable. So pretty much this is a simple unboxing video of the Radsone ES100. EarStudio ES100, and there's an app that I'm going to download to see if there's a firmware update for this little Bluetooth receiver, which also seems it should work as a USB DAC. So pretty much I'm going to be listening to this EarStudio ES100 and see how well it sounds. So yeah, pretty much this concludes this unboxing video. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.